So here we are again with Brad Clark out here on his beautiful subdivision development. He is moving dirt on. Brad, tell me a little bit about the entrance, the improvements, and everything you're going to be doing out here.
Right on the center line right here.
Okay.
We go back up and we make a turn.
Awesome.
And along the property edge of the road is Miss Kristen Otten's land. And she's going to be buffered by a hot wire fence and then Leyland cypress.
Well, I understand she's a really great neighbor to have.
She is a good neighbor. We've been getting along great.
Awesome, awesome. And what are you doing out front there? What type of fencing and entrance mark? Tell me about that.
I don't have an entrance picked out yet. I'm waiting on Adam's feedback. Between, Magnolia Woods, Cherry Hills, and a few other subdivisions that I've done, I like some things, they don't like some things, so they need to make the choice. But it'll be a pretty brick subdivision monument with, I hope, script writing Garrisonville Landing.
Okay, so very cool. Now, when you're ready to prevail that builder, make sure you get permission with him, and we'll let everybody know who's coming out here, because that is fantastic news. In fact, we'll come out and do a little video of you and that builder.
I would appreciate that.
Every project that he does and you do are very successful.
Well, we appreciate that, and we would like to have a big open house, bring the realtors out, bring anybody out, and we get sometime probably late September, early October. They're not going to plant my trees until October.
Well, we know that anything that you do and that builder partner you have is a great project, and we know you'll have great sales. So thanks again, Brad, and we'll be talking to you soon.
Thank you very much, Doug. Appreciate it.
Okay, and by the way, my friend.
Yes, sir.
How about a testimony for that man that brought this property to you a year ago?
He's longer than that.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think 18 months.
Did you get some good terms?
That's Stafford County. So
Yeah.
You can't fight City Hall.
Yeah.
Yeah, we worked out great terms, and it worked out.
Who is that guy that represented you? What's his name?
His name is Doug Jennings.
And who is that lady he hangs with?
Barbara Jennings.
Right, and they're with?
They're with Keller Williams.
Right on, my friend. He's got another project on the way for you, don't he?
He does.
Oh.
We're working on another one. We hope to get rolling here. Just met with Comcast this morning. I think things are going to work out great there, and then we're ready to, within 6 months, probably start looking for another job.
Awesome, man. It's exciting when you start moving dirt, isn't it?
Yep, it is. It smells good, and just makes you feel like you're beautifying the west end of Stafford. This is the last piece on 610. There's not much left. I feel real proud about it.
On that note, I'm going to come right back to you. I got a good question for you.